Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V70 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Let's tap on it. Before we will actually enter this wallpaper section, I highly recommend to make sure that you've got the internet connection, thanks to which you will be able to check some online wallpapers which you can download and apply. So make sure that you've got the internet connection and tap on wallpaper. So, or wallpapers. So right here we've got different sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So at the very top we've got our own gallery, so we can choose our own photo and set it as a wallpaper. Here we've got some pre-installed options which are quite nice, and they are, I believe they are interactive, maybe not interactive, but they are animated. So earth, lights, mountain and sea, firework moment, versatile graphics, live wallpapers, static wallpapers, which are, well, regular wallpapers without any kind of movement. And here we've got also kinetic wallpapers. So basically the whole idea of those wallpapers is to set a specific goal, and your device will change the wallpaper according to it. So for example, in this one, a goal can be set which will be calculated based on the cumulative elevation gained during the use of the wallpaper, and the scenario on the route will be displayed. You will reach the finish line once you've achieved your goal, etc. You can download them. The same situation with, for example, here, moonlight. So you can tap to set the daily step goal, and your device will simply bloom the flower. The flower will bloom according to your goal. Yeah, so basically you can use them if you want to. However, I told you to make sure that you've got the internet connection, because you can also tap on more wallpapers, and here we will be transferred to the wallpapers that we can actually download. So as you can see, there are plenty of beautiful options to choose from. So basically all you have to do is to, for example, tap on the wallpaper. Let me choose maybe this small panda and tap on download. As you can see here, you've got the information that it is free, so no worries. And after tapping on download, you can tap on apply. So let me find a wallpaper and I will apply it. Alright, so this is the wallpaper I'd like to apply. So now we have to tap on apply basically. And now we can decide where we want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both. We can also tap on apply after cropping, and you will be able to kind of crop the wallpaper. However, let me go back. And I just want to set it on lock screen and home screen. So just tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been played successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.